Previously on Hey Lala.
May free taste, bro. Ayun, oh.
Sabi.
Wow.
Cheese cookie.
Ano daw?
Cheese cookie.
Cheese cookie?
Try? Try?
Hihiya ako.
Cheese cookie.
I'm shy, be.
Okay, thank you.
Hindi niya ako binigyan.
Hati na tayo. Naghati tayo. Hati tayo.
Tay, kitang-kita nilagpasan niya ako.
Sabi niya ito. Ayaw, nahiya siya. Huwag na nga.
Ayoko na i-try.
Hati na lang tayo. Nakita ko siya.
Ano yan?
Anya, you can try. Ito pa ito. Masarap.
Masarap.
Okay, yummy yung.
Ang sarap. Okay, we're here na. Happy Lantern. The meaning of colors. Pinili namin yung yellow. Money, money, money. Wow, circle.
Ano yan? May kopyahan ba?
Parang pusa yan, be.
May kopyahan pa yan, ha?
那个购佣金哦，购一的有开车的朋友注意一下哈、你的车子挡到人家哦。
Abangan kung may iwan kami. Abangan kung may iwan tayo kasi shopping sila. Oh, for free? Thank you. I'll get this one. Thank you.
Okay, so later when we arrive there, I suggest you later just
Parang masarap siya.
you go to picture.
OMG,
Yeah, because later at night there are many Korean tourists. Yeah, you saw this morning. Recently many Korean people come to you. Yeah, and they prefer go to Joburg at night. So
Betul siya.
Korean people they will arrive there. You will see. Yeah, so I said you can go there, take some.
We're gonna try Shifutang here sa Jufan. Harap.
Mas mahal.
Ito yung pangatlong milk tea namin pero bet. So far. Or baka kasi brown sugar siya. Kasi yung dalawang milk, yung dalawang milk tea namin, pero milk tea lang. Ito kasi brown sugar. Kaya siguro mas na-appreciate namin siya. Bumili ako ng postcards, guys. Kasi ewan ko, feeling ko ako yung lover na magbibigay ng letter to someone. Kala mo talaga may special someone, pero yeah. Malay mo in the future. Charot! Yeah!
芒真 tea, 阿里芒真 tea famous in Taiwan. 阿里芒真 tea.
Thank you. Cheers!
中共有继续。
阿 Artisan Taiwan 10 piece. Any one.
Oh,
Other
wala, ang
side.
sarap.
Oh,
This
no.
is my type. Ang sarap.
안녕하세요.
Oh, ang sarap, bro.
앉으세요.
Yeah.
Easy, very easy. Practice.
We're here, guys, sa 7-Eleven na Hello Kitty theme. So cute, guys.
Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? I might lose my mind, waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs, waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me, I'm doing decently, just glad that I can breathe. Yeah, I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine.
Good morning! It's our last day today. Punta kami McDo ngayon to grab some. Wala, gusto ko rin mag-bite to grab some breakfast before we go. Magta-Taipei 101 kami and then magka-cafe hop kami. Hopefully, matupad yung cafe hop namin. Kasi, sayang naman yung outfit namin. Like, guys, okay, kaya natin to. Naririnig niyo ba ako, guys? Kasi dapat one time sila, babe. Amazing. Inurasan ko sila. Nakalagay doon kasi 3 minutes. Dumating sila mga 38 seconds pa. Amazing. Hi guys, nasa food court ng Taipei 101. Ito yung binili namin for now. Kasi magka-cafe hopping kami. Sana matupad talaga, Lord. Please, please, please. Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you.
This one you want medium, but this one medium sold out. And then this one you want XL, but this one XL sold out. Wrong change.
Ano lang.
Ito lang sa'yo.
Oo, yung
This one medium sold out. This one XL sold out. Wrong
Okay.
change.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Separate bag. Thank you. Maria, okay lang.
Pera pa rin yun, be.
Atin ba yun? Atin ba yun?
Nice.
Okay, go. Nagturo last minute shopping, tapos pupunta kami sa Horoka, yung cafe na malapit lang din dito. Kasi hanggang 7 lang siya, kaya hinahabol namin. Ang cute nga nun, be. Hinahabol namin siya. Mga 12 minutes walk away lang siya from here sa Shinanding. Ala, ang ganda. Parang baho. May ano. Ito, ang cute din dito, guys. Mga mura lang din. O, diba? Pak! Meron yun sa Shopee. Pero mas mura dito siguro. Siguro. Ay, gusto niya bumaba. It's giving ukay-ukay, pero medyo may mga tag, ganong level. Amoy putok dito, bihod dito. Oh. Dito kami sa Second Street. Kasi wala lang baka makita kami. So basically, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Ang cute naman ito. Wala. Pass. Okay, bounce. Go, Sir Joey. Nahihirapan na si Betty. Sir Joey, kanina pa siya naghahanap. Anong gusto mo ba talaga? Sabihin mo na lang gusto mo. Nahihirapan na mag-isip yung friend ko eh. Ayan, cute. Masarap ata yan. We finally found yung cafe na nahanap namin. It's called Horoka. Ay, sorry, be. Maligaw na lang sa bahay. Nag-Google Maps lang kami, guys. Tapos wala kami internet. Saan? Tapos wala kami internet. Literal na nakikonnect lang kami. Sabi ko, very good. Oh. Nice. Literal na nakikonnect lang kami bago kami umalis sa Shimendi. Tapos edi wala na kami connection. So, thankfully, go. Annyeonghaseyo. Nakapagod do. Deserve na kape before we go. Kaso nga lang, ano pala siya, 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. lang siya. Okay. Still open. Check bacon. Akala namin, guys, may tapon, pinapalinis namin. Fake pala yun. Susuhiya ka, be. Lemon, matcha. Walang normal na matcha. Lagi may kasamang ano. Matcha coffee latte. Coffee milk. I want orange raw cheesecake. Tiramisu. Kaso, Diba parang coffee, ano rin yun, coffee base. Cinnamon na lang.
Okay lang.
Dali ko usap. Sige. Hi. Our order is this one, honeycomb toffee latte.
Yes.
Is it iced? You want iced?
Gusto mo ba?
Yeah. Iced, please. And then one coffee oat latte, iced also. And then one cinnamon roll. Can you warm it? Warm cinnamon roll. Oh yeah, okay. Thank you. That's all.
440.
440. Ako muna ba? Para maante. Okay, thank you. Is it okay if we transfer there? Okay, thank you.
My God.
Okay. Finally, we got our order now. We ordered honeycomb. Tapos yung coffee oat latte. Then, itong cinnamon roll. Kasi itong book wala, nakuha lang namin dyan sa tabi. Yes. So, yung total namin nasa around 400 ba? 400 something. Carry lang naman siya. Yung coffee nasa around 160 something NTD. Tapos ito yung medyo pricey kasi syempre food siya. Ay, go, pack. So, itatry ni Betty yung honeycomb latte. Tapos yung akin itong coffee oat latte. Ayan. Basta yun, guys. Oat siya. Tama. Ang cute na sticker. I-rate namin siya, honestly. Honestly. Ano lang siya? Kebs. Actually, first time ko minom ng coffee na oat milk. Hindi ako fan. Pero masarap siya for me. Hindi siya awkward. Awkward. So awkward yung oat milk. But, hindi yung iba kasi yung oat milk, kung lasang-lasa mo yung parang cereal. Ako hindi. Kahit ano.
Ay, cereal pala yun.
Ang tamis. Sarap. Oo, ma-foam. But yan. Parang yung sugar niya yung parang arnibal, nagbubuo. Ang sarap. Kapag gusto niyo yung something light lang, ganun, like not too sweet, you should go for this. Pero pag yung mga sweet, creamy, ganyan, milky, eto, mas better. Perfect balance yung order natin, di?
Perfect tayo.
Hoy! Hala, perfect yung dalang. Ikaw iwa.
Happy birthday.
Ay, heart shape pala siya.
Na-murder ka.
Hey! We're back here sa Airbnb namin. Tapos, nag-impake na lang kami. Finalization, ha? Finalization. Binili ko na lang curry na ready to eat. Hala, nag-vlog. Ano ba ito? Oh, it's rice. Tapos ito yung sauce, I think. Nag-curry na kami kanina, tapos mag-curry ulit tayo ngayon, dessert. Ang bango. Thank you, gutom ako. Alam mo, te, mas marami pa tong sahog kaysa dun sa kinain natin kanina. Oo, ayun, may mga patatas, may carrots. Okay. Then, we put it inside the microwave. Finished product! Wow, kala mo talaga niluto niya. Bye tayo, balik sa pollution ng Pinas. Wow. Tama. Gusto mo. Ayoko na pumasok. Nato.
Nasaan yung parking nyo? Hoy! Parking ng bahay. Sabo.
Hindi, nag-go up to the tax refund.
Mag?